Hello, and thank you for taking a moment to consider this course I'll be teaching at Chiway uh, in Winterthur, Switzerland, November 14, 15, 2026. This is a course that really is focused on helping students to see how I apply applied channel theory in my own clinical work in my clinic in Seattle. Specifically, this is a course that will focus on palpating first from the feet and then moving all the way up the body to the neck and head and noticing how the channels are feeling, how they're compensating through the body. In other words, left, right, and front back differences in channel palpation as a way of ascertaining structural differences. And here's the really interesting part. In the 20 years I've been using applied channel theory in my own clinical work, what I've found is so often internal medicine and so-called structural medicine or musculoskeletal complaints are inseparable. So this is a course that is designed to weave together internal medicine, Zangfu diagnosis, with channel palpation and everyday structural complaints, and maybe not just structural complaints, but structural imbalances, and noticing those so that you can, as a practitioner, develop a way to kind of treat the structure of the body and the organs of the body together. And this is really what I'm doing in my clinic in Seattle. So for those who've studied foundational courses in applied channel theory, or who've taken other courses with other apprentices of Wang Juyi, this will be a chance to spend 2 days, and I'll demonstrate, of course, on patients as well, do some live demonstrations of treatment on applying applied channel theory to structural diagnosis and weaving that into internal medicine as well. I know that's kind of a complicated thing to explain quickly in a video, so you'll see, of course, on the website here, there's a more detailed description of what I'm talking about. But I very much look forward to seeing you there and having a chance to really show you how I use this material from Wang Juyi in my own daily work in my practice in Seattle. So thank you very much and hope to see you in November.